mountains were placed and mountain ranges were placed upon the earth to stabilize. So the awtad were a stabilizing force in which to control the energies of this earth. And all of this is symbolic of a even higher realm, that within the heavenly kingdom the stabilizing structure of the Muhammadan kingdom is a pyramid. And as a result the pyramid only has one top, and from that top all power transmitted and all power received. So when you see the shape of the pyramid, and it's not one directional, three direction, four direction, it doesn't tip over because of its shape and form. Mountains don't tip over, and mountains shake but you can't tip them. Mountains don't flip when they're flooded because the shape stays. So it has an immense reality on stabilization and the firmness and how the base holds together and is related to the whole structure. And the one on top receives energy from above and distributes energy throughout the system. From the top the system flows down, and from that top distributes all energy to everything that's necessary. The structure within the heavens and the reality of this saintly government that is a reflection of the Muhammadan government is the same structure. There's a Bawth on top, and from that it begins to trickle down that structure all the way to the base of the pyramid, which are then the reservoir of saintly souls. As one passes from the top, the movement from bottom up, because the reservoir like a fountain is a description like how we make a design in our architecture of fountains. The base of that mountain, of that pyramid and structure of realities, this is the pyramid of awliya, which are the examples of the mountains of Allah because they're firm. This structure of awliya, they don't fall, they don't collapse, there's no wind that takes them, there's no earth that shakes them. And when one passes from the physical realm, the pool and the reservoir of the base that are on continuous tajallis of realities, they are moved up within the system. So whether it's from the very height, the one right below at the foot of that awliya will move up into the position, and the whole chain coming up will begin to move up. This is the system of power and the system of dispensing power on this earth and regulating power upon this earth. And many realities of these mountain ranges, the Jabal, of what type of spiritual associations, what type of energies, what type of realities that Allah is sending upon the mountain ranges, which actually represents the ranges of different awliya. And these awtad, the category of awliya called the awtad, and their role is to regulate spiritually the events of what happen upon the earth, so that the negativity and positivity, the desires and action are all balanced. As the frequency of negativity increases, then the power of positivity is also dispersed. And that's why in the last days the mass of people propagating negativity, then the few will represent many. Then the few whom Allah has destined to be positive, they become very powerful.